is Annette at needlepointers.com. Our family are home gardeners and foragers for edible wild plants and berries. It's spring and the season for tasty morel mushrooms to burst forth from the earth here in southeastern Pennsylvania. Each year my sons go morel hunting. They each have prime locations where they know they found morels in previous years. Venturing back to these locations when the weather is just right normally produces an ample supply. And this year it did for one of my sons who shared his haul with me. It's best to eat morel mushrooms within 4 days. Knowing I would not be able to eat them quickly enough and having a dehydrator, which I use to dry herbs and vegetables, I decided to preserve them by dehydrating some. This is a batch I dehydrated. It was simple. For complete instructions on how I cleaned, dehydrated, and then how to rehydrate morel mushrooms, follow the link in the video or in the description section to our page on preserving morel mushrooms. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. To see more of the family's gardening and foraging tutorials, go to our sustainable gardening and foraging page at needlepointers.com.